Zero, maybe it's just time to just say farewell to Bus 5 and maybe it's time to move on. Don't know what I've got in my head.
Foggy day in London town, had me low, and it had me down. I viewed the morning with alarm. The British Museum had lost its charm. How long, I wondered, could this thing last? But the age of miracles hadn't passed, for suddenly I saw you there, and through foggy London town the sun was shining